Hello dear friends, in this video we see the enzymes that are involved in hemicellulose degradation. Deaminase is involved in the degradation of hemicellulose. These are the hydrolytic enzymes capable of hydrolyzing 1,4-beta-D mannopyranosyl linkages of D-mannans and D-galactomannans. Mannanases are capable of degrading D-glucose, D-glucose, D-mannose, and a series of manno-oligosaccharides. These are reported to be produced by various bacteria. Other sources include rumen, protozoa, fungi including saprophytic, phytopathogenic, and mycorrhiza, marine algae, and various invertebrates. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for the watching.